when your budget is fixed and still you want to buy a two-line portable harmonium and you are confused what sort of brand you are supposed to buy and what sort of things you are supposed to check out before buying a harmonium. So basically the harmonium you are seeing in front, this is a Kolkata based two-liner portable box harmonium. It consists 42 keys. It's a Melba's 2 reeds harmonium. It's easy to pump. It's a finished liquor hand polish. So now just let me unbox it. Okay, I just purchased it from the nearby shop. Basically I do live in Kolkata, so it's a lock system. You could see. Let me unlock it. Okay, the harmonium is there. It is. Okay, let me remove it now. There it is. Okay, you could see here the teak wood has been used in order to make this harmonium. Its price consists around 14,000. Its weight is around 12 to 15 kg and material is made of Indian teak wood. The pitch you could see here, it's 3.5 octaves, and its decoration, that one is made of steel. So it works on German celluloid. You could see here it is German celluloid, and you could see Italian nylon over there. So it contains 9 stopper. You could see here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 stopper. These 4 are called air stoppers, which work like a valve. It is used to pump the air. So, and the smaller one are the drones, which is used to hold the standing notes. These are the smaller ones, and handles are bit heavy and easy to carry. The cabinet inside this, let me just open. The cabinet inside this is made of Barmatic wood. The cabinet is made of Barmatic wood. The keys are Barmatic wood. It's a two-liner harmonium. That keys are also made of Barmatic wood. And so now coming to the point, how to choose a two-liner portable harmonium and who should be the ideal customer and why should they choose? For me, I think you are supposed to discuss with a person who is expert on playing harmonium, maybe your guru or anybody else's whom you believe, and moreover you are supposed to visit to the nearby shop rather than purchasing from Amazon or Flipkart. And why this harmonium is best for the beginner or intermediate? Because this is a portable harmonium and it comes under affordable cost. So better talk with the expert or Guruji and directly go to the shop. So before buying any harmonium, you are supposed to check out the holding notes and the chord notes. How much does it hold? Does it sustain? So let me check it out on C major scale, the holding notes. Okay, so now I am playing. Let me just show you. I am playing the C major scale chords. First I am playing C major root chord. It's a very melodic sound. Then coming to the D minor chord. Fantastic. Then E major chord, E minor chord. Then F major chord. Then G major chord. Then relative minor of C is A minor chord. Then B diminished chord. Then again C major chord. So it sounds so melodic and fantastic. Now I am checking the single note sustain timing. It's great. Superb. So this was it. I'll come in our next video, the relative use and the rest of the things regarding this portable harmonium. So this is it. Thank you. Keep watching and subscribing the channel.